हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल करंट अफेयर्स बाय आरएचपी। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स ऑफ 6 जनवरी 2026। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। एवरी ईयर नेशनल बर्ड डे ऑब्जर्व ऑन विच डे? और इसका आंसर है 5 जनवरी। National Bird Day focuses on protecting birds and maintaining ecological balance. National bird of India is peacock and it was declared in 1963. Salim Ali is known as Birdman of India. Question number 2. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation unveiled its logo and official mascot Sankiki in New Delhi. What is the theme for that? And theme for that, data for development. Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation is headed by Rao Inderjit Singh. Question number 3. On January 1, 2026, PMMVY completed 9 years of implementation. What is the full form of PMMVY? Answer: Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana. The scheme launched with the purpose of women's welfare and supports pregnant and lactating mothers. PMMVY provides direct cash assistance to eligible women. For the first child, a total amount of 5,000 in two installment, and for second child, 6,000 in one installment. Question number 4. Who declares 2026 as a year of networking and data centricity? Our answer is Indian Army. Indian Army declared 2026 as a year of networking and data centricity. And who is Chief of Army Staff? Is General Upendra Dwivedi. Question number 5. At which location Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated 72nd National Volleyball Tournament? Answer: Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. And headquarters of Volleyball Federation of India is in Chennai. Question number 6. Where was the Integrated Command and Control Center inaugurated by Union Home Minister Amit Shah? Andaman and Nicobar. Question number 7. World Braille Day is observed on which day? Answer: 4th January. 4th January observed as World Braille Day. World Braille Day marks the birth anniversary of Louis Braille, the French educator who invented the Braille system. Question number 8. Which country becomes the largest rice producer by surpassing China? और इसका आंसर है इंडिया। इंडिया भी लार्जेस्ट राइस प्रोड्यूसर है और किसको सरपास किया है? चाइना को। कितना प्रोडक्शन है? इंडिया हैज 150.18 मिलियन टन्स एंड चाइना हैज 145.28 मिलियन टन्स। Question number 9. Who has been appointed as new Maharashtra Police Chief? Sadananda Date. Sadananda Date has appointed as new Maharashtra Police Chief and he succeeds Rashmi Shukla. Question number 10. Government of India launched the Market Access Support Scheme with total budget of how much crore? 4531 crore, and the scheme launched for period of 6 years from financial year 2026 under Export Promotion Mission. Question number 11. Union Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar launches IITM Global Research Foundation at which IIT? और इसका आंसर है IIT मद्रास। IIT मद्रास में IITM ग्लोबल रिसर्च फाउंडेशन लॉन्च किया है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. फॉर विच स्टेट एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक अप्रूव्स 4100 crore लोन फॉर फेज 1 ऑफ मुसी रिवर डेवलपमेंट प्रोजेक्ट? और इसका आंसर है तेलंगाना स्टेट। तेलंगाना स्टेट के लिए 4100 करोड़ लोन एडीबी ने अप्रूव किया है और हेडक्वार्टर ऑफ एशियन डेवलपमेंट बैंक मनीला, फिलीपाइंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 13. Which bank launched the capital gain account scheme under the Income Tax Act 1961? आईसीआईसीआई बैंक ने कैपिटल गेन अकाउंट स्कीम अभी लॉन्च किया है Capital gain account scheme allows taxpayer to deposit uninvested long-term capital gains from specified assets, earn interest, and avail tax exemptions for up to 3 years effective from 1 January 2026. तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे important current affair questions of 6 January 2026. To get more updates related to current affairs, please subscribe our channel, like and share. Thanks for watching.